Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Xbox error code 8384017. The error reads, "Sorry, there's a problem with the credentials that you're using to sign in. Go to account.live.com to fix the problem." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to log into Xbox Live on the Xbox 360 or attempt to download their profile. According to our research, the error may be related to issues with profile credentials, cloud storage, account security settings, or internet connectivity. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to go to the storage settings on your Xbox 360 and turn off cloud storage. Then check for the error. If the error still persists, disconnect your current internet. If you're on Wi-Fi, connect to a mobile hotspot for a minute, then switch back. If you are on a wired connection, unplug your Ethernet cable for 20 seconds and plug it back in. Then check for the error again. If the error still comes, then turn on two-factor authentication on your Microsoft account. Then download and link the Microsoft Authenticator app. After that, restart your router and try again. If the error still persists, try creating a new dummy profile first. Then, in the same location where the dummy profile is saved, memory or hard drive, attempt to re-download your original profile. If the error still continues, then log into your Hotmail email linked to your Xbox Live profile. Then go to Device Management and link your Xbox using the serial number. After that, enable two-step verification on your email and use the generated app password to log in. Then go back to your Xbox and clear the cache from the storage where the profile will be downloaded and try again. If you still get the error, move the game you are trying to play from an external SSD to the internal drive. Then clear the Xbox 360 saved games data by going to Settings, then go to System, then go to Storage Devices, then go to Clear Local Xbox 360 Storage. This will force a restart. After restarting, start the game and try downloading the profile again. If the error still comes, add another form of login such as fingerprint or Face ID. Then remove all existing app passwords from account.live.com. Finally, create a new app password and try logging in again. At last, if none of these steps help, then consider contacting Xbox support. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.